In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Newegg's website and use their secure shopping cart. Newegg is a popular online retailer, especially for electronics and computer components. First, let's start by heading over to Newegg's website. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Newegg, www.newegg.com. Once the website loads, you'll be greeted with a wealth of options on the homepage, from daily deals to diverse categories catering to different tech needs. Here, we are specifically directed to their desktop computer section, which can easily be accessed via the navigation menu at the top under Computer Systems. Clicking on this link will lead you to a wide array of desktop computers ranging by brands, specifications, and prices. Now, after browsing through and selecting your desired desktop product, the next step is to manage your shopping cart. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the page for the cart icon next to the search bar. Clicking on this icon directly takes you to your cart on the secure side of the site, which is at secure.newegg.com. This ensures your browsing session switches to a secure environment where you can safely review your selected items and prepare for checkout. It's crucial to regularly check your cart to ensure the correct items and quantities for the smoothest possible purchasing experience. Once in your cart, you will see an itemized list showing the products you've selected, along with important details like item prices, quantities, subtotals, and estimated shipping costs. Take your time here to carefully verify everything is correct. If adjustments are needed, whether you're removing an item, updating quantities, or checking for shipping options, do so before proceeding to checkout. Even though it might seem straightforward, always make sure to utilize the secure checkout process that Newegg offers. As an additional tip, if you have any coupon codes or promotional discounts, be sure they are applied before finalizing your purchase. Newegg regularly runs promotions, so it's worth looking for potential savings on your order. To wrap it up, navigating Newegg from browsing to secure checkout is designed to be a user-friendly experience. By ensuring you access and manage your cart through secure.newegg.com, you not only protect your financial information, but also streamline your shopping tasks. Remember to always double-check every detail at each stage to make informed purchasing decisions. I hope these insights make your next shopping session at Newegg seamless and secure.